The whole reason I'm going into theater for the rest of my life is because of the Bell Tower Theater. It all started here in 2012. I was the stagehand for Cinderella, and I got to wear this really, really cool velvet blue coat. And ever since then, I've absolutely loved theater, and Bell Tower gave me so many incredible experiences and opportunities, and not only to grow, but to share everything that I love to do with everyone that I'm friends with. A lot of my friends got to do it, and you meet so many cool people, and don't even get me started with the directors. They're incredible and amazing, and I have every reason to thank them.